We're at the Motorhome Show, packed with brand new vans, clever accessories and ideas for 2025. Stay tuned because we're checking out the best products, meeting makers and finding what's new in motorhoming. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're Becky and David, and these two are Elijah and Sunny. Together we make Sunny's Adventures. If you're new to our channel, we travel the UK and Europe in our A-class motorhome, sharing real family adventures and honest campsite reviews. If you love motorhome life, travel with kids and a bit of fun along the way, this is the channel for you.
So we're off to the NEC. I'm joined by half a face of my mother as part of Team Sunny's Adventures. I've got Elijah in the back. And then behind us, if you can see the car, is Becky, Christine and Sunny, because we haven't got enough seats in this car to go. So let's get to the NEC and I hope to meet some of you guys there. See you in a bit. There's Becky there in the distance.
We went to a hotel here once.
Oh yeah, we're going in here, Beck. We're going in here. We got premium parking. We have arrived, and we have arrived with premium parking thanks to Angela, my mum. Because she's got the magic blue badge because she's special, isn't you?
I'm special.
So we're right outside the hall, and Becky, Sunny and Christine are about 15 miles away in a car park. So, oops. We're good, are we live? We ready? So hi everyone. We're at the show. Right, see you in a bit. Let me show you where we are. So hi everyone. So we're basically in a big hall next to the hall, and we're going just there once we found Becky and Christine and Sunny. So let's go find them and do some exploring. So there's one thing I want out of today is a ridge monkey. Whatever else I buy apart from that will just be influence, but I'm coming away with the ridge monkeys today. So yeah, watch this space. After 4 hours, Becky's finally made it with Christine and Sunny. They had all the bags as well. Oops, I might be in trouble. There they are.
I pulled the short straw.
We're finally reunited, husband and wife. We thought I'd lost you forever. You're going to get searched good and proper. There'll be a proper strip search in here. So we're here. It's nice actually because even though there's lots of people queuing up, it's quite quiet, and because it's a Wednesday, not the weekend, it should be a little bit more relaxed. But first stop, cups of tea for the nannies. The joys of bringing your parents with, it's always going to be cups of teas and coffees. So quick pit stop break and then we'll do some exploring. If you're here, what are you looking for? Let us know in the comments below. I say I'm after a ridge monkey and any other accessories I can get my hands on, so let's go explore together.
We're going to start here and then go all the way around there.
Yeah.
Always turn and kick a football.
Right, throughout the day they've got lots of talks on. Let me show you what's on today, Wednesday. Towing with an EV, is it for me? Tour in Morocco, campsite cooking, yes. Vineyards, villages and van life. Scotland's hidden road trips. Ask the experts. Tuscany and Rome. Touring. Spain. So we've seen everything from cat food to dog food. I've also seen the mirror guards, but I can't seem to see them for A-class motorhomes. It's one thing I've struggled with. I'd like to get some for ours because they're not cheap to replace if you whack one, God forbid. So if you know of any, let me know in the comments below, because they're not easy to search for. You just get the Mercedes A-Class all the time, like the little car, opposed to an A-Class motorhome. Let me know what I'm looking for. I'm here, wife and kids. Mummy's spending money. Mummy's spending money. Nanny's spending money, is she?
Huh? It's absolutely horrible. It actually hurts. It physically hurts.
You are very fragile though. The first pound has been spent, and unsuspectingly, my Christine as well, she spent £10 on these things. You're going crazy, Christine, spending £10.
Already? We've only been in it half an
You
hour.
haven't even had a drink.
I know.
Right, Beck's in to win how much? £250 with higher and lower. Okay, I may have lied about the £250 prize. At the Insurance Emporium. Good luck, Beck. Over to you.
So, pace is high, nothing's up here. Yeah. Okay, so you're starting with a 10. Got a big one. Higher or lower?
Okay, lower.
Lower than a 10?
Lower than a 10.
Yes. Okay, so higher or lower than a 4?
Higher.
That's a big one you had, isn't it?
Oh, let's gamble now.
Making my heart go. What do you think? Higher than a 5.
Oh!
You can't decide.
We have a winner. So Becky, how does it feel to win a multi-charger on today's show?
Amazing,
Yeah. And what would you recommend? Do you reckon people come over?
Come
Yeah.
see these guys.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And you could win as well. So yeah.
You can enter up to 5 times. We'll be
Yeah.
back.
Yeah. Just put on a different hairdo and then we'll be back.
We'll see that we look terrible. We'll come in again.
So there we go. The Motorhome and Caravan Show, the gift that keeps giving. I think Becky's overjoyed with that win, and she doesn't win much apart from marrying me and having 2 beautiful children. So there's motorhoming, and then there's motorhoming. Check this out, the Palace Liner by Morello. You can even park your car in it. How cool is that? So Mum's found a motorhome that she's fell in love with. The only problem is it's £100,000 more than her budget of about 10,000. So yeah, probably not going to be that one. Anyway, there I've got the Westphalia and the Wander Home campervans here. So I think there's a bit for everyone. You've got caravans, you've got micro campers, you've got micro caravans. You've got a bit of everything from the big Morellos down to the tiny little motorhomes. So there's something for everyone. So we're just walking now. We're walking for the sake of walking, but we need to find Ridge Monkey, as I'll be buying one of those today. It's a massive show, this, and it's in the bigger halls. I'll show you on the map. So you could spend a whole week here and still not see everything, I think. Just trying to find some more budget-friendly vans for Angina here. So we can relax now because the boys are locked in, whereas before, boys being boys, they're running around really interesting stuff. It's not actually that busy as it has been. We've been where you have to squeeze past people all the time, so it's quite a nice day to come. The weekend, I'm sure, will be completely different.
Yeah.
That's the worst thing you can do.
Front now because it's
What's Becky just spotted? Let us show you. Go on, say what it is.
It's the old motorhome.
It's our old motorhome. And where is it?
The picture at the Caravan and Motorhome.
Let me show you. Right. There. So if you get the magazine, you'll sometimes see our old roller team in there. That's us in there. I think they blanked us out apart from one picture for whatever reason. But yeah, we had fun recording that. So give us have a look in your magazine. We're in the latest one for sure because I've seen it. I think one or two things happen if you come here looking for a motorhome, which is one, you'll either come away really clear because it's every single make and model here, or two, you'll come away really confused because you can't make your mind up. It is really daunting. So if you're going to come and pick a motorhome, take your time. They can sometimes be at the weekend, they can be really crowded, so you struggle to get in them. So just pick one, get the layout, and then have a proper look round. Because I always found what happens is you choose a design, and then you come away, and then you realise there's 2 or 3 things that you wanted that are missing. We've done that on the first one, which is why we've then changed to the P-lot. So yeah, take your time. So there's plenty going on at the Inspiration Theatre. Let me just show you what that looks like.
Our experience was anytime we had any problems, people wanted to help us.
Just touring Morocco with Lola at the moment, so if that's something of interest, then it's well worth popping over. I think the same talks are on every day, bar different times or different times, so well worth a look at.
We were kind of walking around taking photos, and they came running up and said,
Becky's been mum's home. What have you done, Beck?
It's a family-run
Beck's been
operation.
mum.
Just go to Al Jazeera.
Made a picnic.
Made a picnic. It could be quite expensive eating at the NEC, so especially with kids and parents as well. So Becky's made sandwiches, and I'm starving. It's only 11:30. I'm ready to eat.
But apart from there's half the time there's no signs, and half the time you have to.
It's actually really cool to visit Scotland, and that's everything from its breathtaking natural landscape. We shot this whole.
So we stumble across the P-Lot section, having a look around the new shape. It's just the design and some additions that are different, the paintwork, the decals. Ultimately it's the same vehicle. So Mum's been trying to set up Nanny Christine with someone she met at dinner. She's a bugger. We've been to see P-Lot, as you've seen, and we bumped into Paul and Shirley who have a caravan, and they've done France. They're planning a 6-week adventure, so great to meet you guys and hope to catch you again, and thanks for the support. Coincidentally, they were sort of in the P-Lot area, and they thought, I might see Sonny's Adventures here because we obviously have a P-Lot. That might be a good tactic, so if you want to meet like the people you watch on YouTube and the vloggers, aim for maybe the brand that they've got, and they might be around there. Might work, might not work for them. Gosh, that's scary. So here's a different place to relax. Check this out for a location. On top of the van. I've never tried a hammock, but I can imagine if I'd done that, I'd fall off the van and injure myself. Mum's fell in love. What are we saying, boys? It's nice, isn't it? We just want to show you what it's like here if you've never been. So much to see, but our legs are tired and I still haven't found a ridge monkey.
You're going to get in the pushchair and have a little nippy nappy?
The boy's tired, mummy.
Yeah, tired boy.
Little Santa's grotto, look. Looks cosy cuddling there. Hello. So just a quick shout out to Craig, Debbie, Ian and Karen. Thanks for coming to see us. It's great hearing of your adventures. We've just had a demo of the Quest pop-up gazebo. It's very impressive. If you've not seen them before, I'll show you which one it is on the screen now. They take seconds to pop up and give you that extra sort of space, like Becky saw at the Lincoln show.
For a while, how many years?
What's she asking? Am I getting done, am I?
Brilliant! Absolutely. It's vintage already.
Well, you look completely different. Right, I've been fleeced. What have I been fleeced for? 150 quid. By this woman here.
From the top, yeah, exactly like that. Just
Mum's got curls, look.
look, it's beautiful. You look at it.
150 quid. Well, it's wonderful when someone else pays for it for you. 150 quid worth. I don't know if you watched our video when we did 4 weeks in France, but these guys are here. If you've never been to the NEC before, you can get a train directly here, and the train station's just over there. There's also Wetherspoons on site and some other concession, coffee shops, Starbucks, etc. And then they have an on-site shop as well, like a London store. So it's got everything you need to have a full day here without having to panic about stuff. Happy angina?
Oh, yeah, I was moved.
So Elijah's holding on for dear life, and Becky's now having to rock him to sleep. He's fighting it. Right, what's it got, Mum, for the 50th time?
Bunk bed.
It's got bunk beds, look. You little kids can go in there and play. We're going to make a move. The boys are getting tired. We've been everywhere. We're tired. It's such a big place. Becky's legs ache. And we haven't found a ridge monkey, so boo-hoo for me. I will have to keep my eye out for one another time. So unless one turns up for Christmas, maybe. Who knows? Anyway, let's head to the car. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified of our content. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks so much to everyone who came to say hi, and don't forget to check out our exclusive channel perks.